In today's competitive crypto landscape, growth demands smarter strategies. Influencer and affiliate marketing provide a proven pathway to success. Influencer marketing builds trust through personal endorsement and social proof, critical elements in an industry where credibility is paramount. Meanwhile, affiliate marketing empowers a network of partners to promote your platform, creating scalable and performance-driven growth opportunities. When implemented with the right strategy, influencer and affiliate marketing work synergistically, combining brand storytelling, personal engagement, and direct performance incentives to drive sustainable, measurable success. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step approach to mastering these powerful marketing channels, helping you grow your crypto brokerage, enhance your brand authority, and achieve long-term profitability in an increasingly competitive market. Begin by defining your objectives. Whether it's increasing brand visibility, driving platform traffic, or boosting signups and trading volume, select the right platforms to connect with your audience. X for real-time discussions, YouTube for in-depth content, Instagram and TikTok for visual engagement, and Discord for strong community building. Identify influencers who align with your brand values and demonstrate real engagement, not just high follower counts. Establish a structured affiliate program with transparent commission models and supply affiliates with professional marketing materials. Reach out with clear, mutually beneficial proposals and collaborate through sponsored posts, product reviews, and community initiatives. Continuously monitor key metrics, optimize performance, and refine your strategies based on data-driven insights. Utilize tracking tools like Google Analytics, UTM parameters, and affiliate dashboards to gain deep insights into traffic sources, conversions, and engagement rates. As your campaigns succeed, scale operations, reward top performers, and expand your presence across additional platforms. With a strategic approach to influencer and affiliate marketing, your crypto brokerage can achieve sustained and scalable growth. With the right strategy, influencer and affiliate marketing can take your crypto business to the next level. Ready to start growing?